Welcome to 61st Street, where comfort, character, and convenience come together. Take a look.
Discover a bright move-in ready sanctuary on a peaceful cul-de-sac. Wrapped in a fresh, updated palette, this 3-bed, 2-bath home glows with light and offers the peace of mind of a private storm cellar. The primary suite is a true retreat, featuring a spacious layout with a separate tub and shower for a spa-like experience. Hobbyists will love the 2-car garage with an extra sink, plus a charming outdoor workshop or she shed. The unique pie-shaped lot is a rare find, with 2 distinct yard areas and an inviting covered patio, perfect for hosting gatherings or quiet mornings.
Simple, stylish, and definitely worth the stop. 61st Street. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.